Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today you can see I've designed stuffs like this. So we'll be doing the search bar animation, the blinking effect and all that. You can see I've designed all these things, using variants. If you have not, watched my video on variants, go and watch it. So let's add some of the effects on all these things I've designed already. Let's add some effects. First of all, on the variants, two. Let's drop a shadow effect. Then let's add on the rectangle, exactly on the rectangle, not on the variant, in another effect. Very good, this is what I want. Now let's repeat the same thing on the second one. So on the variants, let's add an effect on it, and also on the rectangle, let's add an effect. We double click, let's add effect on the rectangle. Very good, this is exactly what I want. So the next thing is to put write the vertical line or something like that. So click on your text and do that, which I'm going to do now. Right, let's do that. Very good, let's make sure it's aligned the way we want it to align. Okay, it's somehow longer than the search button, so I'll make sure it's at the middle. I don't like it this way. Okay, I want to bring it down small. So bring it down small. Very good, this is the way I want it to be. So the next thing we'll do here is to I think we are good to go. The next thing we'll do here, yeah, it's okay. So the next thing we'll do is to prototype what we have done already. You can see. Okay, let me delete the search button I have there. Let me delete it. The search button on the frame. Let me delete it. So let me make sure everything is okay. Yeah, so we can delete. Click on the variant, delete. Very good, so let's prototype the first one. Okay, now drag it, that's the variant 1, drag it to variant 2. Now you can notice that the rectangles also have the same name there. Can you see rectangle 1, rectangle 1? So I'll be using smart animation for the first rectangle. That's why I didn't change the names. I didn't change the name of the rectangle. So let's move it here. It should be on tab, on instance too. So it should be on smart animation, sorry, on smart. Now the second one, we'll not use smart animation, so let's move it to the third variant on after delay. Click on after delay, then let's use 300 milliseconds. And now that, let's do the second one at the same thing, after delay, so that it will give us that blinking effect after delay. Should be after delay, so it should be 300, same thing, 300. So let's check the first one. It's like we did not, okay, it's on a smart, so let's make it instant first, then let's come back to the second one, make it instant. Very good, so let's make it 300 milliseconds. Very good, So we'll check how it works, then we'll come back to the next one. So that's good. So let's just drag it, alternate, you drag and keep inside your frame. That's very good. So let's present what we have done and see how it works. We have to wait for network for that. So that's it. I think I have a slow network here, so bear with me. So we're almost there. We are almost there. Yeah. So that's it. So let's see how it works here. Please, this should open. You know, am I having a bad network? Open, open, open. Okay, we're almost there. So I'm allowing to load first. Very good. So you can see how it is. If I click there, you can see the blinking effect on the screen. Do you see it? This is, let's make it a large screen so you can see it very well. Do you see it? So the blinking effect is working. So the next thing we want to do is, if you click on the keyboard, maybe if you click something like F on the keyboard, it will give you suggestions, maybe search suggestions, which I have designed already. So we'll do this here. I'll click on the first one. So when we click on the first one, let's click on prototype. Prototype. So let's add. Very good. When we add another animation, then click on keyboard, keystroke, gamepad, then change to variant 4. So make it variant 4. Then when you click on F, it will give us many suggestions. Then we'll repeat it on the third variant. So the same animation, we'll do it on the third variant, right? So let's do it on the third. No need of doing that. Let's click on the variant. I was clicking on the rectangle before, on the variant. So let's add. So let's repeat the same process that we did on the second variant. The same thing on keystroke, gamepad, then change to variant 4. Please subscribe if you don't know about variants. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch my videos. Read about variant. The same thing here. F. Watch about I did about variant, the tutorials about variants. It will help you to redesign this and achieve what you want already. So that's just it. When you click here, let's click on F. Do you see it? So suggestions. Now there is one cancel button that if you click on, so let's go and prototype that too, so that it will take you back. Yes. So here we'll make it instant. When you cancel, it will go back instantly to variant 1. So let's click. You can see the blinking effect there, right? So F, you can see it appears. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more tutorial videos. You know, so very good. It's working perfectly. You can cancel and all that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.